I got my coffee, got my caffeine in. Now I am at Weaver's Treasures. I'm gonna do this and Old Time Treasures. So it's been a long time since I've been here. I feel like the last time I was here was that weird snow day. This is pretty cute. So it's 50% off, so $9. It's not a bad price. I could make a couple bucks off of it, but it's not really worth it to me. There's a lot of different holidays happening in here. I like it. Of course, the owl is what jumps to my attention first. It's got the scissors holder and pin cushion. $12 is about what I'd get for that after fees. This is a really nice candle holder too. 1973. That is a cool votive. And it's only $10. I wish there were 2 of them. Oh, and a little heart mug. Love mug. This one's probably like 1980s. I like this planter too. They always have such cool color motif going on here. This is kind of neat. A lot of St. Patrick's Day happening in here. Oh, I always think these green opalescent are so pretty. Oh, this is so cute, this little miniature tea set. It's definitely on the newer side. Well, this is usually just crafts, but I actually see a couple things that pique my interest. It was really this Disney spice set that was Lennox. Huh, that's kind of cool. I've never seen the Disney spice. Oh, and look at this little hobbyist planter. That is adorable. I like the colors on that too. $7. You think I could make, I know I could make a couple bucks off that. I'm not sure how well it would do though. It might take a little bit. I'm hesitant to pick up a hobbyist piece right now. I'm not sure why. I'm just trying to be really careful about how much I spend and what I pick up since sales have been slow, and I already spent a small, I spent a lot down the street. Ooh, this is pretty though. It's only $10. I love hobnail, even though the white doesn't sell that well. $15. Well, this is kind of a fun booth too. This wasn't here. What's going on with the birds? Kind of hidden in here. $10. That's about what I'd get for that after fees. This cigar box has fallen on me. Oh my gosh. I'm making a mess here. And then I've had this set before. That's really fun. $17 is about what I got for mine after fees. Lots of bird stuff. Nothing that's really calling my name for that price. It's all a little bit closer than I'd like. What's going on with this glass dish? Avon. That's what I thought. Sometimes Avon gets you. It's kind of cool. Well, it looks like this booth has expanded. They have really cool jewelry. I mean, this is not my thing, but it's kind of wild. I like it. Yeah, I'm trying to like just pick up like different stuff. Wait a minute, what? What is that? Look at this guy. Oh my gosh. How fantastic is he? And he's vinyl. He's $10. He's really spectacular. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick him up. He's in like amazing condition. Oh, and I'm just now seeing 25% off. So let's give this better look for sure. Wow, love that guy. Burger pin and a little rainbow. I don't see a price tag on these though. Yeah, I don't see any price. That's a pain. Okay, but also this kind of like random brass crab trinket box. That's really cool. What is happening here? Look at this guy's eyes. How fantastic. $20. This is so freaking funny. Let's see. Oh, I kind of, oh my gosh, but wait. All right, so he's kind of big. I love his eyes, but then I'm also now seeing these ones. This one is pretty fantastic, but the sticker eyes looks like it might come off a little. What about this weird thing? This one's $12.95. It seems kind of pricey. I've had banks like this before. I'm not sure what this is actually supposed to be, but it's incredible. I kind of want to get it because it's so weird. Yeah, so it comes to like $10. I don't think it would sell that quickly. I really want to get it, but I'm a little on the fence about it. I'm trying to be super thrifty. That dog though, that thing's really epic. I kind of want to get it, I'm not gonna lie. Let me do the math on it. As tempted as I am, when I flipped it over and did some more investigating, they definitely had some stains going on the backside, so I'm gonna leave it as painful as it is. And I love that yellow fuzzy thing, but I'm being a little too cheap for that today. This looks like, yep, it's a little nodder. Wow, that's really cool. Those are hard to find in that size. How much is it? $15 though. That's probably about what I'd get for that or sell that for. But also, this is not usually what I go for, but it's, oh, never mind. It's a musical shaker. I thought they were salt and pepper shakers, and that was the top, and that was the body. I don't know where I thought, I got way too creative with that one. So it looks like my favorite vendor, Dana, has moved. I know she posted on Facebook that she was getting a booth. I guess I'm finally gonna go check that out. I gotta find it first. Oh, are these gonna have the Mary and Jesus on them? They are not, unfortunately. I have that set. They're supposed to have Mary and Jesus on the sides. This is another booth I really appreciate when I come here. This pig is hilarious, even though it's on the newer side. Now, these are really interesting to me. I'm not sure what is going on here. What is this? The Hong Kong flocked bird set of two, $6.95. Well, we have to get those because those are really unique. And I feel like they'll sell really well. A lot of that Hong Kong faux floral stuff sells pretty good. And I've never seen ones quite like these. They're very cool. Let's see if we can find anything else in here. Of course, they got the marigold glass ashtray. It's only $7.50 too. Oh, you know what? I picked up the pig, but I failed to notice this vase next to it. It's Lennox, but it's actually kind of cool. I feel like Lennox doesn't sell that well for me though. Oh, here it is. All right, well, I'm just gonna go through the whole thing. First of all, the hook and eye is very cool. I was gonna start at that end and go around, but I can't help but notice this lamp planter. How much is this? $18? Rubens? That is so stinking cute. Now, I will say, this looks a lot like the Brins one that sells for hundreds of dollars, and it is not the same, but at $18, I believe I can still make money off this. I'm gonna look it up just because I'm a little bit curious what the last one sold for, but I'm pretty in love with this. All right, so I wasn't able to find one in sold, only listed, and I don't trust that person's prices. I am gonna go ahead and get this for $18. I believe I could still make money on it. It's so stinking cute, and I'm pretty surprised to find it's not chipped up. It's an awesome little find there. All right, well, I love the cat print and of course the swung glass vase, but this, even though it's new, it's kind of cool. Kind of like it. $24. That's a totally fair price, I think. I mean, actually, I have no idea. I'm not familiar with it all, but I would pay $24 for it if it was for me. But it's for my Etsy shop, and I need to remember that that's what my purpose here is. Because, oh my gosh, look at the little Ashland rubber elephant. $22, so cute. Whoa, look at the cuckoo clock. How spectacular. Oh, that's so cute. But also, I'm just now noticing the kangaroo stuffed animal. That is spectacular. I never see kangaroo stuff. All right, I'm reeling it in a little bit here. Now, I there's a couple baskets in here that I think are gorgeous. I am staying away from glass baskets today. I have not had much luck with them. Let's see what's going on in this case. Lots of things that are like an almost for me. Nothing that's really, I like the tall dog there, $12. I think I looked at that last time actually. Let's see. And the nun, I always like nun stuff, but it's still a little bit close for me. And over here, let's see what we got. I love this bride. That's really unusual. Huh. I like this mug too. Interesting, French. Now I really like this mushroom motif, even though that plastic material I'm not a fan of. $48 for this set. That's not for me, it's for a collector. Man, I actually think these are very cool. Are those Sears? Yeah, they are Sears. Mary Mushroom. I've never seen those mugs. I love the way that she's got the flowers displayed in this cat too. And I've looked at that the last time, and of course we have to recognize how much we love the vase. All right, I think I got my treasure from here, and let's move on. They always have nice random glass pieces in here, like this Fenton Cranberry. Does that say 16 or 10? I think it only says 10. Is that right? Wow, this one's really pretty. That one's 45. I can't tell. What does this say? I feel like we need, yeah, no, that definitely says $10. I feel like I could make money off that, actually. I wonder how well that would sell. I decided to pass, but then this caught my eye. Wow, that is a really fantastic shape and color. $20. Love that teardrop motif. Very mid-century.